Hi everyone, Google just launched Gemini 3. Note that it is not 3.0, just 3. I will give you 5 reasons why this is an exciting launch. Number 1. Since the launch, Gemini 3 Pro has taken over the leaderboard in lmarena. Some of you that have been following me, you know that I highly value lmarena because it's a blind voting system, and you can see that Gemini 3 has taken over. I think Grok 4.1 was number 1 for maybe like few hours before the launch of Gemini 3. The Gemini 3 Pro has become the first model to cross 1500. Reason number 2, benchmark numbers. I'm going to look at different categories of these benchmark numbers. First is reasoning. I will take humanities last exam as the metric for reasoning. You look at this, Gemini 3 Pro beats every other model, including Claude Sonnet 4.5 and GPT 5.1. Look at math reasoning. This is what really blows my mind. Look at the math arena apex numbers. It is not even a comparison, right? GPT 5.1 is 1%, scored 1%, whereas Gemini 3 Pro scored 23.4%. And the third category of benchmarks I want you to look at is visual understanding. Look at visual reasoning puzzles. Again, it's not even a comparison. It is 31.1% for Arc AGI 2 benchmark. Likewise, Screen Spot Pro screen understanding, GPT 5.1 is 3.5% compared to Gemini 3 72. When I talk about visual understanding, screen understanding, think about what's possible. Agentic browsers which can look at your screen and take actions, or think about smart glasses that have camera and respond to the situation based on what it is seeing, right? These are all like unique benchmarks, highlight those capabilities for Gemini 3. Number 4 is agentic capabilities. I want you to look at this terminal bench 2.0, SWE bench verified, T2 bench, and vending bench 2. You can see again, terminal bench, it beats every other model. Not a landslide, but it still is better. SWE bench verified is for agentic coding. Here, Claude Sonnet 4.5 continues to be slightly better than Gemini 3 Pro. You can Google about this benchmark yourself. Vending bench 2 is basically they give a vending machine to different models. It's a simulation environment for agents to decide. They give $300 for each agent and let the agents make decisions on what they will stock based on the profitability of different products in the vending machine, and see if the models make the right choices to maximize profitability. And look at these numbers. This is Gemini 3 Pro made $5,478, whereas Gemini 2.5 Pro could only do $573.64. Gemini 5.1, the latest model from OpenAI, made $4,000 less using the vending machine. Claude Sonnet, it's decent, but it's not comparable to Gemini 3. This shows that Gemini 3 can make good reasoning choices when given complex problems and maximize profitability. This shows that Gemini 3 is great for agentic use cases. Reason number 3. Gemini 3 has been flushed into pretty much every product at Google. Gemini 3 is now available on Google Search and Gemini with Pro and Ultra subscription. It is available for free on AI Studio and Gemini CLI. So you can use this model today to build apps with Gemini 3. This model is now available on Android Studio as a coding assistant. It is also available on Vertex AI for enterprise users. The fourth reason why I'm excited about Gemini 3 is its cost. The input cost is $2 per 1 million tokens, and output cost is $12 for 1 million tokens, which is on par with GPT 5.1 higher tier models. The interesting thing is Gemini 3 uses far fewer tokens for reasoning. As you know, reasoning is something that the model talks to itself and comes to a conclusion on the intent of the user goal. Gemini 3 uses fewer tokens to think, but gives better reasoning outcomes, which means you actually get more value for the money. And the fifth reason is the new tool that they launched called Google Anti-Gravity. This is a VS Code based on the initial look of it. It looks promising, and I will be experimenting this tool in the coming videos, and we'll see how good it is. It gives a way to, it's a faster way to develop. You act as an architect, give voice commands, and collaborate with intelligent agents that operate in the background. It can automatically orchestrate between your code editor, terminal, and browser. One of the interesting things I saw there was that you can create a UI app, the browser opens, and then using screen understanding of the application, the IDE automatically tests the output and gives you the results. I think it's going to have a big splash in the productivity market, just like Cursor. I really look forward to seeing what it does. Those are the 5 reasons why I believe this is a big buzz and it's an important thing that everyone should know about. Just be aware that this is an initial buzz, and we will see more demos both on this channel and from other YouTubers in general. I look forward to seeing those. Are you excited about Gemini 3 and AI capabilities in general? Leave a comment. Look forward to reading those. Thank you.